Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert or export a PDF file to HTML single page using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select this convert option, this menu bar, and this is HTML option, select HTML. Now click on the setting option and here you can convert a specific page or all pages. I say the single HTML page. I select all pages. Now select OK and you can save this file name and select your destination folder or you want to save. Now select save and save this HTML single page now created, and this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.